Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial we are going to see a small tips or tips which is available with the align command. So I'm using the Revit 2020 version. If I use the align command in a family where if I try to align these elements, I need to align them and I have to click the log button. So this is very tedious task when we are doing these options. If we are doing multiple elements and aligning with multiple objects, that will be a tedious work. Even when you use the pick line, you'll have an option that you will be able to use the pick line and you can click the log symbol, and if I click pick, it automatically logs with that line. That is a good options that we have. So but that the same option which is not available for the align command. When you click one time, it should align. So when you are going with the recent versions, like I'm using the Revit 2020 section 6, the recent version, where the same multiple alignment which is there in the previous versions, instead of having it in the option bar, it comes in the ribbon tab here. So the multiple alignment is there, but the important thing is that lock. When you are taking the align command, lock option is there. You can select the object that you want to align. It automatically aligns when you tick this option. So this makes very simple and it reduces one click in each align tools. Instead of having that pick line option, in align tool also the alignment happens and after that locking automatically happens. It reduces one click. So for 4 clicks and it reduces automatically one click. It's tedious amount of time saving. So this is a very long waited requirement from Revit Autodesk forum. So this was introduced in the recent versions. So it was very useful. If you're not using this, try to use it and it will be much more helpful to you. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Do subscribe and hype the video and share it with your learning friends so that they also learn it daily, one video that we are doing it. And see you on the next tutorial. If you have any requirement, leave it in the comment below. We'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.